Hey there, Ted Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about how to actually make money. This is when I give the answer, it's gonna sound too simple, but just stay with me on this. So if you wanna make more money than you're making, how do you actually make it? There's really one answer to this, and the answer goes like this. You make it a priority. Stay with me. If you want to make money, you make money the priority. Now, you may say, but I don't want to make money the top priority. That's okay. That also may have something to do with why you're not making the kind of money you want to make. We can't do everything. We just can't do all the things. One of my favorite blog posts I ever wrote was, I'm broke and I don't give a shit. And that was because I'd spent the summer going to festivals. I barely worked on my business that summer. And so at the end of the summer, I was really broke. This was 2012 maybe. And I was so happy about it. I was so glad. Making money was not the priority for me. And there are times when making money is a priority for a lot of reasons. And we just really have to knuckle down and do it. Goals we want to achieve, debt we have to pay off, disasters that happen. And when we make it a priority, we're much more likely to achieve that. But a lot of us are kind of in the middle saying, oh, it's really important, it's a priority, but not doing it. During one of the mentorship or membership program calls, we were talking about values and what's most important in life. And I said, okay, everyone, let's do this. I said, I want everyone to write down what's most important to you in your life right now. And there were lots of great answers: family, health, community, learning, peace, God, spirit, etc. And I said, those are all nice answers, but none of them are the truth. None of those are the real answers. The real answer is the same for all of you. The most important thing to you right now in your life is being on this call with me. Because if it wasn't, you wouldn't be here. See what I'm saying? People can say whatever they want about what their priorities are, but the reality is, where are you? What are you doing? Look at your schedule. You want to know your priorities? Look at how you spent your last week. There's your priorities. Again, I'm not saying your priorities should be any different. I'm not saying the priority should be money. I'm saying if you want to make money, you have to raise it up in the priority list. The higher up it is, the more likely you are to make money. And the lower it is, the more likely you are to make excuses. So there's some tough medicine. Hopefully that's helpful. And of course there's strategies to make money. I understand that. But unless it's a priority, you won't even enact those strategies. You won't even do anything. Thanks for watching. I've got more videos, as you probably noticed. If you subscribe and then hit the bell icon, it'll tell you when more videos come. If you share this video, your friends will thank you. They'll send you letters in the mail with gratitude. Oh my God, thank you for introducing me to this guy. And if you like the video, it does boost it in the algorithm to help other people see it. Check out marketingforhippies.com. A ton of free stuff there. Thanks for stopping by.